Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Heather, and in today's video I am going to be giving you 5 of my cleaning tips. Some of these you may have heard of before, but I thought I'd share some of my cleaning tips. They're probably pretty basic, but some of you may not know, so I thought I'd share. Okay, so my number 1 tip is, it's not really a tip, it's more of like a this is what I do type of thing, is hanging my clothes. Now I tend to only hang up clothes that I don't want to shrink, or delicate clothes like a really nice, blouse or sweaters, because sweaters tend to shrink. Just things like that, or things that, mainly things I just don't want to shrink. I tend to shrink things when I put them in the dryer. So, yeah, I will put a photo of the clothing rack that I have, but you can pretty much get any sort of clothing rack. Tip number 2 is Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes, any sort of disinfecting wipes. For me, I have children that don't tend to clean very well. So these are easy for them to, just pull it out, wipe it down, toss it. Instead of spraying Clorox bleach everywhere and just making a bigger mess than necessary. So I tend to do these. They're also good for disinfecting, any sort of surfaces. If you have sick people in your house, to disinfect your doorknobs, remote controls, whatever have you. They're good for that. I do get it that it's kind of wasteful to, get these and then throw them in the garbage. Tip number 3 is to have a toilet bowl brush and little caddy thing to put it in. Don't worry, this is brand new. It has not touched the toilet. My youngest son needed a toilet bowl brush in his bathroom, so I figured buy one, use it for the video, and then put it in his bathroom. But yeah, this is so much better to just wash and then, when you're done, put it back in the thing. It's not dripping everywhere. It's not, having to find a place to put it, anything like that. So I have one of these in every single one of my bathrooms. I didn't have one in my youngest son's bathroom, but now he will have one. Tip number 4 has to do with the toilet bowl brush again. So for me, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen this on some of these cleaning videos, I know I have. So what I like to do after I'm done, scrubbing the toilet, instead of pulling it out and putting it back in this little caddy thing and then having the toilet water just filling up in the bottom of this and getting all gross and nasty, what I like to do is take this. So you have the lid open, you're scrubbing the toilet. I like to set it on the edge of the toilet and then put the lid on top of it, so it's in between the 2 lids. And I just let it air dry in there, drip dry, I don't know. Drip dry just sounds really gross. But yeah, I just kind of let it dry in there before putting it back into the little caddy thing. I just feel like it's less of a mess, especially with the younger kids. Tip number 5 is to have a cleaning caddy. So I have this one here. Sorry, I can't really show you, it's so big. These are so good, especially if you have multiple level houses, multiple bathrooms. I like to have all of my cleaning supplies in a little caddy thing where all I have to do is just carry it to each individual bathroom. Usually I have these for bathroom supply, like bathroom cleaning supplies, because then I can just, if the kids say, hey, I need to clean my bathroom, or I say, hey, you need to go clean your bathroom, all they have to do is go get this thing, and it has everything in it that they need. I don't have anything in it right now, but you know, it has all the little slots that you can just put everything in. So you know, I'll have paper towels, window clean or mirror cleaner, you know, like Windex type stuff, you know, the Clorox wipes, toilet bowl cleaner. I don't usually have the toilet bowl brush just because it's usually right next to the toilet. But yeah, just anything that really you need for to clean your bathroom, I put inside of this little caddy. And trust me, it is so convenient and so much easier, especially with kids, because you know, you're not saying, oh, well, go get the, you know, this supply out of this place and this supply out of that place, or you know, you don't have your supplies scattered everywhere. They take this, they pull it out, they use it, they put it back, and then you can just put this thing in a safe place, and it's always there for when you need it. So this is the number 5 is the tip that I recommend the most, because it makes life a lot easier, especially if you live in a large house or house with multiple levels. So yeah, that is my 5 cleaning tips for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button. If we can reach 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube and then 1,000 followers on Instagram, I will be giving away 2 gift cards, one for my subscribers on here and one for my followers on Instagram. So I challenge you today to go and hit that subscribe button down below, and also go over and follow me on Instagram, and then once we reach those numbers, I will be choosing a winner from both places. So yeah, I really hope that you again enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!